Hello everyone, I am Anvesha Das. Welcome to Chemistry Hub. So let's discuss about today's topic. Here is today's topic, scientific notation. In chemistry, we have to deal with very large numbers. Sometimes we came across so many zeros in a number. It is difficult when we sit to count them. So to overcome this difficulty, scientific notation is there, which is otherwise known as exponential notation. In a scientific notation, number is represented as capital N into 10 to the power n. Here capital N is represented as digit term and small n is exponent having positive or negative values. So, how we express a number in scientific notation? Here is an example, 321.650. We can write it as 3.21650 into 10 to the power 2. So when the decimal goes left from the right, the exponent is positive, and when it goes right from left, the exponent is negative. Then come to how we add and subtract with these numbers. Let us know through example. Okay. Here is the example, 1.75 into 10 to the power 4 plus 9.19 into 10 to the power 3. यहाँ पे सेकेंड नंबर पे 9.19 पे अगर एक डेसिमल आगे आ जाएगा तो ये 0.91 हो जाएगा. तो दोनों का वैल्यू 10 टू द पावर वैल्यू सेम होने से आसान हो जाएगा हमको एडिशन करने में. ओके, सो इवेंचुअली द रिजल्ट विल कम अप एज 2.66 into 10 to the power 4. Then come to the example of subtraction. Here the question is 9.6 into 10 to the power minus 2 minus 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 3. यहाँ पर भी एडिशन की तरह पावर को सेम करना होगा. ओके, देन द रिजल्ट विल कम अप एज 9.31 into 10 to the power minus 2. यहाँ पे एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन का एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है, 8.31 into 10 to the power 4 into 6.5 into 10 to the power 7. यहाँ पे दोनों के पावर्स को भी ऐड किए जाएंगे. ओके, देन 8.3 into 6.5 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7. The result will come up as 53.95 into 10 to the power 11. This is also correct, but to be more convenient and to be more correct, we will write it as 5.395 into 10 to the power 12. Then come to the division part. Here is the question. 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power 3. So, in the division, while we do the calculation, then the power of the 10 in the denominator will go up. So, the final result will be 3.25 into 10 to the power minus 8. Then come to the next one, significant figure. What is significant figure? The total number of digits in a number, including the last digit whose value is uncertain, is called the number of significant figures. There are some rules for determining the number of significant figures. So the first rule is all the non-zero digits are significant. How can we know that? Let us understand through example. 6.2, it has two significant figures. 5.29, three significant figures. Coming to the second rule is a zero becomes significant if it appears between two non-zero digits. Like the example shows 3.02, it has three significant number. If जीरो दोनों non-zero digit के अंदर appear होगा तब जाके ये जीरो significant figure में count होगा. Okay. Then the third rule is 0 at the beginning of a number are not significant. They just indicate the position of decimal point. For example, 0.328. It has three significant number, not four. 0.009. It has only one significant number. Likewise, another example is 0.096. It has two significant figures. Next come to the fourth rule. What the fourth rule says? It says if a number ends in 0 and these zeros are placed right to the decimal point, then these zeros are significant. Like 6.02, it has two significant figures. The fifth rule is, in an exponential notation, the numerical portion gives the number of significant figures. For example, 3.2 into 10 to the power 3, it has only two significant figures. Here, only the numerical part comes into account. Then the sixth rule is, non-significant figures in the measurement are rounded off, what we generally called as round figure. The rule 6 constitutes of three cases. Let's see one by one. The case 1 is, if the digit next to the last digit to be retained is less than 5, then the last digit is left unchanged and all other unwanted digits on the right can be removed. For example, 4.334. Here the last digit is 4, which is less than 5, so it will be rounded up as 4.33. Then the second case is, if the next digit is greater than 5, the last digit to be retained is increased by 1 and all other digits on its right are dropped. So taking an example, 7.386, we have to remove the 6 and write it up as 7.39. Then a question may arise, what if the next digit is equal to 5? So let's see what happens when the last digit is equal to 5. If the next digit is equal to 5, the last significant figure left unchanged when it is even. Okay. The example is 4.565 can be rounded up as 4.56. Then the last significant figure increased by 1 when it is odd. 3.455. It can be rounded up as by increasing 1, 3.46. Next is rules for determining the number of significant figures while calculating. Then rule 1 is, when addition or subtraction is to be carried out in the numbers having different precisions, the final result should be reported up to the same number of decimal places as present in terms having the least number of decimal places. मतलब हम जब एडिशन या सब्सट्रैक्शन करते हैं डिफरेंट डेसिमल नंबर्स को लेके, जो डेसिमल नंबर सबसे कम डिजिट का होगा उसके हिसाब से आंसर को रिप्रेजेंट किया जाएगा. सो हियर इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एडिशन विच इज 3.26 प्लस 2.2 प्लस 0.123. इसमें 2.2 का सबसे कम डिजिट है, सो आंसर को भी इसी हिसाब में राउंड अप करना होगा. ओके, तो आंसर विल कम अप एज 5.583. सो आफ्टर राउंडिंग अप इट विल कम अप एज 5.5. तो एक सब्सट्रैक्शन का भी एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं. 8.3426 माइनस 2.12. तो इसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? 6.222 एंड 6. So it will be reported as 6.22 as least decimal place is 2, which was 2.12. Okay. Then rule number 2 regarding multiplication and division. In multiplication or division, the final result should be reported up to the same number of significant figures as present in term with the least number of significant figures. If we multiply 2.3456 with 7.89, which has least significant figure is 3, so answer will come up as 18.506784. So the rectified one will be written as 18.5, which has 3 significant number same as the second digit. Then come to the division. Here also same rule will be applied for division. Here the question is 9.8765 divided by 4.31, which has 3 significant number. Answer is 2.2915313. The answer will rounded up as 2.29. Then come to rule 3. It says about what to do if calculation involves multiple number of steps. the result should contain the same number of significant figures that of the least precise number involved other than the exact number. So here is the question. Before mathematical operation, we need to round up them so it could be easy to calculate. So no need to change the exact number 4. Keep it as it is. Then in 42.967 we have to apply part 2 of rule 6. Okay, then it will be changed to 43.0. So the answer will come up as, after calculation, 0.769888970. So after rounding up by applying rules, it will be 0.77. Here one thing to be noted is the zeros at the end of a number without decimal point are regarded as non-significant. The zeros are ambiguous, means zeros don't have one obvious meaning, it could be many. So here is the end of today's session. In next class we will discuss about laws of chemical combination. Keep watching my channel, stay safe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, take care.